Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you why Beatport suddenly stopped working in Serato DJ Pro and how to fix it in the right way. If you ever seen this message saying that your streaming account is playing on another device, even though you are not logged in anywhere else, you are not alone. And no, this is not an account problem. The real issue is hidden inside Serato streaming cache. When you close Serato, the Beatport session is not always cleared correctly. So, when you open Serato again, Beatport thinks your account is still active somewhere else. That's why tracks load for a second, then stop playing, and the deck becomes empty. Reinstalling Serato might fix the problem temporarily, but the bug usually comes back. First, close Serato completely. Then locate the Beatport cache folder on your computer. If you can't see the hidden folders, you have to make it visible. After that, you can find the Beatport folder under your username, AppData, local, Serato, streaming. Once you found the Beatport folder, simply delete it. Don't worry, your track analysis data, hot queues and other settings are not stored here. Nothing important will be lost. Start Serato and you will see it works perfectly. If this problem happens often, you can automate the fix. You can create a small script that clears the Beatport cache every time before starting Serato. That way, you don't have to delete the folder manually again and again, at least until Serato official fixed the issue. I hope this fix solves the problem for you as well. If you would like to know how to create a script for this, let me know in the comments and I will make a short video about it. Thanks for watching.